Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Follow Cookbook. Today we're making Piper's Special Soda Bread. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to put 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda into a stand mixer with a paddle attachment or food processor. I'm going to pulse that, or you're going to mix that together until it's combined, and then you're going to add in 6 tablespoons of room temperature butter cubed, unsalted, and you're going to mix that together until it forms a kind of coarse, until it's like a coarse meal, and then you're going to transfer it to a large bowl. Then, in that large bowl, you're going to mix a cup of raisins and half a cup of dried cranberries into your mixture, and set aside. Then in a smaller bowl or like measuring cup, you're going to mix together 1.5 cups of buttermilk with an egg, and then you're going to mix that into your dry ingredients until it's all just combined, and then you're going to put it into a cake pan that's been buttered, and put in the oven at 350 for an hour. Enjoy. This was pretty good. It says it goes well with butter and honey, so I did that first, and yeah, it wasn't bad. The next night I had it with peanut butter and jam. That was good. I like that one. But yeah, you can put it whatever you want on top of it. I didn't have any raisins, so it was just the craisins. But like, you can just stuff with anything. I have some walnuts that I was like, that could actually be pretty good in there. You can just put chocolate chips in it. It's just like a solid bread base, and you can kind of put whatever you want in it, or nothing. It's good. 8 out of 10.